In this video, I want to show you how to create sexual health questionnaire. First, you need to click extension, skill free form and load form template. And here you can search sexual health questionnaire. After you found it, just click load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions and the settings. Just refresh the page and click fill form and then get link, and then just click continue and go to your account. Click advance and then go to fill form and just click allow here. And you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. But you can also change the questions as you want. For example, go to question type and I want to insert new row here. For example, I use text and just copy the question text and change it into name like this, so it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the question type. For example, I change it into date, and don't forget to change the text too, so it will change like this, so the audience can pick easily the date from the calendar. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use the row anymore, so that row will disappear instantly. Also, go to settings to change the background color of your form. Pick the color that you want and it will change instantly. Also, I want to give an example for style. In the title, just follow the code like this. Scroll amount, I use 25, but you can also change your number like 2 or 3 or else. And don't forget to close the code like slash mark. And go to your form, and now the title is moving. Thank you.